to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job in facing our Oklahoma flag. Ready? Pledge. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. You have learned your pledges very well, raising your right hand for our Washington School Creed. Ready? Begin. I am a Washington PreK Club. I pledge to be kind, to use the nicest words I can find. I am special and bright. I will work with all my might. There is no one I'd rather be than me. Wonderful job. During our moment of silence, our hands are to our sides, our body is still, and we are very quiet. Ready? Begin. Wonderful job. Okay, boys and girls, you may have a seat. Teachers, do we have any letter masters today? No. Okay. All right. Boys and girls, do me a favor. Take one giant deep breath. Ready? Here we go. In. And out. All right. We are going to celebrate Roaring Readers today. If you are a Roaring Reader, you read 20 or more books in the month of January. We used to read 10 books, now we're reading 20 books. And so I'm going to start the microphone over here with Miss Taylor, and we will get to hear about our Roaring Readers, how many each class has, and then the student with the most books read. During the time that the teachers are talking, what should your voice be doing? Let's be good listeners. Here we go. Miss Taylor.
All right, in Miss Taylor's class, we had 7 roaring readers, and Cameron Edwards was our top reader with 55 books.
In Mrs. Chambers' class, I had 12 readers, and Jackson Story was the most with 51 books.
Okay, in Mrs. Smith's class, we had 14 roaring readers, and Ava was our top reader with 117 books.
All right, Miss Bruce.
In Miss Suter's class, we had 5 roaring readers, with the top reader being Persephone with about 50 books.
What? You read 50 books? All right, Miss Brandstetter.
We had 13 Roaring Readers to Smith, and Kaylin Simmons is our top reader with 70 books.
There you go, Roaring Readers.
In Miss Barber's room, I had 13 Roaring Readers, and Michaela was my top with 190 books.
Okay, 190 books. Wow. All right, Roaring Readers.
In Mrs. Stafford's class, we have 9 Roaring Readers. Mia was our top reader with 66 books.
Go.
In Miss Penny's class, we had 5 roaring readers, and Heidi was our top reader with 40 books.
Wonderful.
In Mrs. Greenhagen's class, we had 9 roaring readers, and Haley was our leader with 80 books.
I'm so proud of you guys.
In Miss Glowalkie's class, we had 8 roaring readers, and Amelia was our top with 45 books.
There you go.
In Miss Arnold's class, we had 12 roaring readers, and Letty was my highest at 82 books.
Good job, guys.
In Miss Eccles' class, we have 16 roaring readers. Our top is Jackson with 105.
I am so proud of you. Let's cheer for all of our Roaring Readers. All right, boys and girls, you may have a seat. Just like Letter Masters, who can be a Roaring Reader? Can everybody be a Roaring Reader? Yes. You have to read about one book Every night you have school. You don't even have to read a book on the weekend. I would love if you did. But you have to read one book. Almost every night of school to be a Roaring Reader. Who thinks they can do that? Yeah. You have books that you take home in your red bag. So you can read those. You can read different books from the library. All right, look back at Miss Fisher. Tonight is a special thing at our high school. Raise your hand, ladies, if you are a mini stepper. Look at all these mini steppers. It's a fun thing that you get to do tonight. So I hope you have a great time with your mini stepping. All right, hands down. I have one more announcement. I want you to guess something. Come here, Miss Bruce. I'm gonna maybe embarrass her a little bit. What is happening here to Miss Bruce? Did she eat a watermelon? What happened to her? She's having a baby. Okay, so today, Miss Bruce this will be her last day until she has her baby, and then takes care of her baby for several weeks and comes back. So we won't see her again until after she has her baby. She's gonna go home and clean her house really well and get ready for that baby. That's what we do before we have babies, is we clean. So she's gonna rest and have her baby. So can we let's give her a hand. Let's give her a hand. So we want it, can we say good luck, Miss Bruce? Ready? Good luck, Miss Bruce. Miss Bruce is having a little boy or a little girl? It's a little girl, and it's her third little girl. So her little girls are happy to have another little sister. So we wish you the best of luck, Miss Bruce. And we will miss you while you're gone. Okay, boys and girls, look to your teacher. Good job. Good job. Give her your very best, sweetest, cutest smile. Because it's Friday. All right. We did our PreK. We already did it. And have a fantastic Friday, boys and girls.